Thank you for buying this Triton belt sander. First, check over all components visually. Now remove the cable tie and check the lead. If any items are damaged or missing, return the product to your retailer. Push fit the nozzle of the dust bag onto the dust extraction port. You can adjust the position of the front handle to suit your needs. Pull the locking lever down to release the front handle. Push the handle forwards or back to the position you require. Raise the locking lever to lock the handle in position. Now put on all of the safety equipment required to operate this tool. Plug the sander into the mains. When power is available to the sander, the power on neon sign will illuminate. Squeeze the trigger to start the sander. Allow the sander to reach full speed before placing it on the workpiece. You can press the lock-on button for continuous operation. You can vary the speed using the variable speed control dial. Apply light pressure when sanding. You can use the front handle or the front grip for control. Sand with the grain in parallel overlapping strokes. To remove paint or smooth very rough wood, sand across the grain at 45 degrees in two directions. Then finish parallel to the grain. Lift the sander off the workpiece before switching off. To release the lock-on button, squeeze the trigger. Ensure the sander is disconnected from the power supply. Lift the belt tension lever to release tension on the belt. Choose a new belt with the sanding grit required. The higher the grit rating, the finer the finish. The lower the grit rating, the faster the stock removal rate. Check that the replacement belt has a good join and is not frayed at the edges. Position the new belt over the rollers, with the rotation arrows on the inside of the belt pointing in the direction of rotation. Push the belt tension lever down to tension the belt. Secure the sander upside down and plug into the mains. With the belt running, use the tracking adjustment knob to align the belt to the centre of the plate. For optimum dust removal, empty the dust bag when it is no more than half full. Ensure the sander is disconnected from the power supply. Carefully pull the nozzle of the dust bag off the dust extraction port. Unzip the dust bag and empty the contents into a suitable container. When sanding metal, do not use the dust bag and canister. Instead, connect a workshop dust extraction system, or, with an adapter, you can connect a household vacuum cleaner. Use a soft brush or cloth to remove dust and dirt after using the sander. Ensure the air vents are clear and clean at all times. Relubricate all moving parts with a suitable lubricant at regular intervals. The inversion stand enables use of the belt sander in an inverted position. Push the sander front grip fully forward so that it is perpendicular to the main body of the machine. Invert the machine and place on a solid, flat work surface, for example a work table or workbench. Insert the G-clamps fully into the fixing positions on the sander, ensuring the vertical threaded section of each G-clamp is tight up against the edge of the work surface. Then tighten the butterfly nut so that the sander is securely clamped to the work surface. Fit the backstop in position using the backstop screw. The backstop may be fixed in a raised position or almost level with the sanding belt, as long as it is not in contact with the sanding belt. Fit a dust extraction system or dust bag. Turn on the sander and use the lock-on button to keep the sander running. Allow the sander to run to check it is securely fixed and the sanding belt is correctly aligned. Put on your safety equipment. Apply the workpiece to the sander slowly to avoid kickback. For deep, fast sanding, apply the workpiece at 45 degrees to the sanding plate.